chorus using the sbox going into ANC noise reducer into a shop radio. See what happens. Hello? I'm definitely gonna have to. I'm in trouble? Really? Why? Tell me why. Why am I in trouble? Apparently I've been in trouble for decades. Just be specific or shut up. Honestly. It's cigarette focus is not. Why am I in trouble? Be specific. Apparently I was in trouble for like the last 5 decades. I haven't been doing this for 50 years, so. How many are with us right now? Yes, Chris. How many are with us right now? 400. I don't believe that. I think you're being facetious. Do me a favor, pass around a hat. Everybody throws in a buck. I could use those $400. Is that possible? No. Seriously, how many are with us right now? Where is Laura? Where is Laura? Where is George? Where's my father, George? Where's my brother, George? Hello. How are you? I only want positive people here today. For tonight. Anybody negative, you just go jump in a lake over there, alright? Do me a favor. I ain't got time for it. I'm not putting up with it. You know I don't put up with this shit.
Prove it. Right.
Where's Betsy? Where you at, Fitz? Here? That's good. I hope here is good. Where's Mountain Man? Where's Ted? Where's Ted? Hello?
Sad.
So sad, yeah, a lot of people are sad. Apparently that's what happens down there. What's up with you? Where's my spirit guide, Zeke? I want to talk with him. Where is my spirit guide, Zeke? Are they actually guides or just observers? I don't think there's a lot of guidance going on for anybody down there. I think the whole word guide is misused. Am I incorrect about that? How many people crossed over the last session we did? Give me a number, please.
Determined.
Who needs help? Hey, it's Chris. How are you? You good? Who's been making all the noises around here with the knocking around here? Give me a name, please. Give me a name. Hey. Definitely gonna clean this up with the wave pad.
Thank you.
Help. What do you need help for? Help. Call out to God. He'll send a light for you. Call out to your family members. They are waiting on the other side for you. Go back into the reincarnation trap, you know what I'm saying? Is it a reincarnation trap, yes or no? Nice? Yes or know. Is it a reincarnation trap? Am I being negative or truthful? See, I'm one of the few people that actually have the balls to ask these questions. Is that what's getting me in trouble? Is it wrong to ask questions? Yes or no?
Good.
Alright, I'm gonna shut this down soon. Is that make you happy? Yes or no? Alright, well anyway, I hope everybody's at peace. Hope everybody's in the light. Am I going into the light? Yes or no? Yes or no? Am I going into the light? Yes or no? I guess it's undecided as of yet, huh? Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. I'll upload on YouTube. So
Pretty fam.
Peace out, people. Find your happiness where you can.